Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where in this series we would be studying about the geography, the earth which is our homeland, which is homeland for which consists of natural vegetation, land, water, air, plants, animals, which is its natural environment. We are familiar with the environment and the surrounding within which we exist. The earth, which is our homeland, is a dynamic planet. A continuous changes takes place within the environment of the earth. The earth is constantly undergoing changes from the inside and the outside. The earth is made up of its crust, which is called as the earth's crust. The earth crust is made up of rocks. The rocks are a form of landforms wherein the solid crust, the hard core layer of the earth beneath and a few beneath the earth, the changes which are takes place continuously, which are biotic in nature, wherein the places, the things, the natural environment surrounding, they combine together and have an impact on the crust to form the rocks in the earth, the environment within which the human beings, the collection of all the animals, the collection of all the natural resources which supports the basic system, which because of which the animals can drink water, the animals can drink food, and the land within which they live. The human beings, they modify the resources and the natural resources continuously takes changes within them, which makes the surrounding to change. The ecosystem within which we live, it is formed by the interaction within the human beings, the living organisms with each other, and the physical and the chemical factors in the environment, which helps them to live, to transfer the energy, the materials within the earth, the landforms, which is a result of the slowly process which is taking around within the earth, a continuous moments of the components is taking place. First, the internal process which leads to the upliftment or the sinking of the earth surface, which leads to creation of mountain ranges, mountains, the hills, the plateau, the water resources which flows from the mountains, which forms lake, rivers, and which makes the tributary, the plains, and where the water is sinked in from the mouth of the river in the ocean, and the coastal areas where the ocean meets the rivers, where the landform meets the rivers. There are mountain ranges which are with the mountain which are in a form of ranges, wherein the system of series of parallel ranges exist over 100 of kilometers. There are many types of mountains, basis on which of the formation and what is their shape, the upliftment, and the volcanic eruptions and the glaciers. There are many mountains which are formed as a river valley from where the river flows. Moreover, the rocks are the formation in the innermost of the earth, wherein the earth crust is made up of the various types of rocks, any natural mass component of mineral or a matter which makes up the earth crust. The natural mass of material which makes up the earth crust is called as the rocks. There are different types of rocks wherein the crust is formed as the earth have various reactions, various interaction takes place between the resources of the earth, which makes it happen. The earth is one of a planet in the solar system of the Milky Way, wherein there are many stars exist in the like way. The earth is a planet which has interacted with the result of the sun rays, the sun rays which which is a star which has gases and heat, because of which the rays which we receive from the sun helps for the production of the life, helps the living organisms on the earth to live. This forms the resources, the natural resources which is available to the earth, which is recognized the object or the substance which is accessible by the human resource, by the humans, by the other animals, and used as a natural resources on the earth. It helps for the creation of the life, for the creation of life on earth, in the water, and beneath the earth.